Hello everyone, today I will show you how to exit guided access on iPhone if forgotten passcode. And here's how it is done. A force restart will disable guided access temporarily. iPhone 8 and later, including iPhone SE, 2nd and 3rd gen. 1. Press and quickly release the volume up button. 2. Press and quickly release the volume down button. 3. Press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. iPhone 7 or 7 Plus. 1. Press and hold the power plus volume down buttons together. 2. Keep holding until you see the Apple logo, then release. iPhone 6s or SE 1st gen and earlier. 1. Press and hold the home plus power buttons together. 2. Keep holding until the Apple logo appears, then release. After the restart, guided access will be disabled. And that is everything you need to know about how to exit guided access on iPhone if forgotten passcode. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.